The modern battlefield is increasingly complex, dynamic and dangerous. The enemy's weapons are becoming more lethal. Meanwhile, our weapons, platforms, communications and sensors are increasingly vulnerable to electronic warfare and cyber attack. Our forces must therefore constantly learn, adapt and innovate to defeat such threats more rapidly than ever before. Army is a critical element of the joint force. As such, its combat system must operate as a single, integrated system of systems, and it must always be ready for battle. The separate elements of the land combat system, however, are procured at different times. They meet different technical standards, and they're supported by a wide range of vendors drawn from around the world. This presents a major challenge to successfully integrating all elements of the system. So, fresh thinking and new methods are essential if Army is to fully optimise the land combat system and provide an agile response to contemporary security challenges. The solution is for Defence to collaborate even more closely with its industry partners. Done successfully, this will create an enduring sovereign industrial capability dedicated to supporting the operations of the land force. Currently, this capability is split across multiple facilities, making it costly and difficult to deliver. Collaboration and innovation are greatly improved, however, when resources are co-located in a single, purpose-designed facility, a Land Integration and Innovation Centre. This centre will have the capacity to realistically simulate the challenging conditions of the modern battlefield. All elements of the system will be operating on a continuous basis within a controlled environment. As a result, landworthiness for the entire land combat system can be maintained over the force generation cycle. It is proposed that the centre will be managed by Defence and leverage new acquisition programs to invest in more capability over time. The centre's focus would be on a single critical task, keeping the land combat system at the cutting edge, integrated, optimised and ready for battle. To maximise its utility, the Land Integration and Innovation Centre should be situated within a larger defence and industry precinct dedicated to supporting Army. The Government of South Australia has committed to the establishment of such a precinct. Located on state-owned land at Edinburgh Parks, the precinct is strategically positioned to meet Army's needs and is adjacent to one of Australia's major defence bases, where at least a third of all operational armoured fighting vehicles will be based. It is also next to the largest defence science and technology group presence in Australia. The precinct is well served by major interstate and international transport infrastructure. Companies specialising in a range of industries, including heavy engineering, systems integration and advanced manufacture, are close at hand. These South Australia companies have a proven track record of success and currently support the sustainment of all of the Australian Army's armoured fighting vehicles. The precinct is within easy reach of existing test and evaluation ranges and close to Kultana training area, now the most suitable for the year-round manoeuvre of large armoured formations. As part of its commitment to Land 400 Phase 2, the state government has approved Stage 1 of the precinct, which includes the establishment of precinct infrastructure, the development of the facility for the successful Land 400 bidder, and the establishment of the industry proving ground. Subsequent stages would see the creation of further facilities for defence and industry. Everything that is needed to ensure Army maintains its fighting edge is in South Australia, the defence state.